Field Installable Connector is a perfect solution for field working in FTTH connection, as it enables quick assembling in field with stable performance. Hangsen Star's patented FIC has a red light window, ensuring 100% connectivity. It can be installed under visible conditions. The average insertion loss is less than 0.3 dB. Return loss is greater than 40 dB. Its unique Pigtail installation method ensures high resistance to cable stretch, while maintaining the installation flexibility. It greatly improves the easiness and efficiency of on-site cable installation. Our FIC reaches the requirement defined in YD-T 2341.1-2011 On-Site FIC Connector Chapter 1 Mechanical. The FIC has passed TLC certification. Now we would like to show you how to use the connector. Now first of all, we need to have all the necessary tools ready. So here is the FIC. Plug in the tail cover onto the optical fiber. Peel the cable using the peeler. The peeling length is 30 mm. Cut the redundant fibers. Set the cable onto the fixture. Peel the fiber using Miller clamp. The peeling length should be 17 to 18 mm. Place the fiber onto the cutter. The cutting length should be 24 to 25 mm. Connect the connector with the light pen and testing fiber. Plug the cable into the connector and push slightly until the fiber bends slightly. Watch the red light window. The light weakens once the fiber connects and the fiber bends slightly. Use M2 spanner to tighten the screw. And push the tail cover back onto the cable. Now you can see the average insertion and return loss. This completes the installation. To restart, take off the tail cover, loosen the screw, and pull out the cable. Once completed, start the installation. Now we go into the direct connection mode. Set the tail cover onto the cable. Peel the redundant branch. The peeling length is 45 mm. Set the cable onto the fixture. Peel the cable using Miller clamp. The length should be 26 to 27 after peeling. Set the cable onto the cutter. The cutting length should be 36 to 37 mm. Plug the cable into the connector. Make sure the cable is 0.5 mm outside of the connector. Use M2 spanner to tighten the screw. Push the tail cover and complete the installation. Now you can see the average insertion and return loss. To restart, take off the tail cover, loosen the screw. Pull out the cable. Once completed, restart the installation.